So here's how to change Instagram password without old password. Let's start off with the Instagram application. As you can see, we're now in the Instagram homepage. Over here, tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Once you're in your Instagram profile page, tap on Menu on the top right corner. Once you're in the Settings and Activity page, select Account Center. Then, you need to tap on Password and Security. On this section, select Change Password. Select your account for which you want to change the password. As you can see, you need your current password in order to change your password from here. So for that, we will tap on Forgot Your Password right below it. After that, you will receive an email from Instagram. Just go over to your email and check out the steps mentioned. So I will open up my Gmail application and open the email received from Instagram. Over here, tap on Reset Password. Now, you need to put in your new password right over here. Just type it in and tap on Reset Password. And that is exactly how to change Instagram password without old password.